Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode or another week of The Brief with Kenny Simpson from the Simpson team. So today, this week, I want to focus on a few things. Number one is interest rates. Yes, unfortunately, 30-year term, ARM terms, I don't care what term it is. Unfortunately, that term is going up. The 10-year Treasury is at 3.3. I'm actually kind of surprised. I thought rates would not go up. Because we're signaling a recession. So we will see what happens. But as of today, interest rates are higher, which is affecting more buyers' buying power, debt to income, making deals make sense on investment property. So yes, it's becoming problematic for a lot of people. The other thing I want to talk about, since rates are going up and interest rates probably from, just a month ago, maybe have gone up almost, we're going to be a point higher possibly, is buying down the rates. So what do sellers have to understand? Sellers, you understand, when your buyer's writing an offer, as time goes on, that rate's going higher and higher. So they're having palpitations. They're getting stressed about, oh my gosh, should I just back out of the deal? Should I wait for rates to go down? Is the market going to crash? What's going on? Buyers are thinking this, and sellers are like, I'm trying to get this price. So sellers, you got to understand a couple things. Number one, buyers are very focused on rates, on savings, on payments, and they're higher and higher. So what can you do to help? Offer some credit. Maybe buy down the rate 1 or 2 points. That's something we're talking about with our clients, buyers. Go ahead and write in the offer that you maybe need $20,000 towards your closing costs. That's insane. It's not insane because by the time you pay 2 points down and pay closing costs, you might be right there. So we're just trying to make stuff line up and make sense. The other thing I want to talk about is educating our buyers, right? That's the big thing. Not only is if somebody's renting right now, they're getting zero tax benefit. So if you're buying and the interest rate's a little bit higher, I understand that. It's painful, it sucks, it doesn't feel good. But here's the thing. What also doesn't feel good, your rents are going to continue to go up. Trust me, they will. Especially if you're in these big buildings or have a more modern person that, basically like is up with the terms and up with raising rents and kind of up with what's going on in the investment world, they're going to raise you. Why? They're not going to wait around. They're not going to let it skip a year because they will fall behind. So with inflation, rates are going up, rents are going up, but also what you need to do is what we're doing for our clients is starting to do is if we give you a pre-approval, we give you a payment, we can give you your interest. So we can give you the total interest of the year. You can take that amount, call your CPA and say, hey, look, Joe, Mary, Sue, George, whatever their name is, here's $30,000 of interest. I'm going to pay this next year. And my taxes, what does that mean for tax savings? How much money would I get off or get back at the end of the year? That's something you want to know for affordability. The other thing we're educating and having a conversation about, which we have no idea what would happen, is what if we could refi your rate and drop it a half a point, a point and a half? What could you save? $500, $800 a month. That's huge. So when buyers are looking to buy and sellers are looking to sell, we just need to start educating these people and making them understand if you're buying right now, what are your options? What does it look like? And what is it going to look like short-term and long-term possibly? Otherwise, that's it. We will see what happens. Maybe rates will continue to go up. Maybe they'll come down. Until next week, Kenny Simpson with the Simpson team. Appreciate you watching. If I can help you out with anything, please reach out to us. Thanks so much. Have a great week.